Hello, good evening, everyone. It's me, Kelvin. Today we'll be looking in. Okay, start again. Hello, everyone. I'm Kelvin from Round and Search, and now we will look into the U.S. market. So in the morning, we are looking um into the Malaysian market. Sorry about this because I am trying to fix the Facebook side because I don't know why Facebook always have the problem of can't connect to this OBS stream, my software over here. So yeah, we'll look into it. But if I can't do it, then I'll just forget it. Okay, so a few stocks over here, I'm looking at it. So today, US market, everything is moving up. So it will be something interesting for us to look into it. And right now I'm looking into Alibaba. The reason is because it's moving it very slow, but there's some sell down actually coming in. Big sell of 1000 doesn't matter because that is not the main one that it move the price. What moved the price is the smaller transaction. So I think what I will do here is that I want to fine tune something for my trades here. So what I'll do here is that I'll use the last time how I look into it. The price and volume is actually close higher than previous day, previous candlestick. Then I will go in for entry, and if it's not, they don't have anything. I mean, for the transaction data I will use it for to time the exit. So Apple main buying, you can see is from the XL side. So as long as you notice those big one that are coming in, then we can actually start to look into it. I see some big one actually comes in. So it means that this retrace over here is not going to be long. So it's going to pump back up higher. So in that case, I'll look into it. But whenever we see remember the last time when I look into the candlestick charts to time where is the entry and the exit, usually when there's a high volume, then there will be a retrace is coming in. So I'm going to use that. So since right now the price is going down, so I'll just let the price goes down lower first. Then only we look into any of the entry opportunities. Right now you can see it went down lower. Oh, this is Tesla. Apple continue to move up higher. So we need to be a little bit more careful on doing the trades. Take it like real trade, because we need to find the right way to big selling coming in from Apple. So I think most likely they start to press the price down lower right now. Let's see Alibaba. Price also going down. High volume. We need to wait for there's a high volume build up first before we want to enter into it. Okay. To signal any of the retrace. And of course, most importantly, that we need to see the spread is actually very near. High volume higher than the previous candle. So that actually tells us that there's some There might be a reversal coming, but I still see a lot of selling that is coming in. Because is the main transaction is taken up by the smaller ticks, so it's still going down. Let's see Tesla, whether they will have the rebound here. Price is down, high volume higher than previous one, so it's most likely that they will have a rebound here coming. So I need to check. Majority of the volume sell wise, we have the XL that's coming in also, and then also with the small lots. Buy wise will be mainly on the small transaction. The small transaction coming in. Let's wait for it. I'll use the old method. I'll combine the old method with the new one to time where is the exit, and the new one that look into tickers to time the exit. Okay, and then the old one, I'm gonna time the entry. So the one that I'm looking into it is 1 minute charts. Let me try to connect Facebook again. It's still not working. Wait, come back to this first. Okay, so right now is an entry for me for Tesla. Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? No, because the price moved up too much. No, it's moving up. I miss out this. Let it down for a little bit more first. Moving in at a high price. I write the best entries over here. So let's see. If only I can set like market entry at the market, then it will be much easier. So far, we don't see any of the big one is selling here, so I'm just gonna continue to hold on to it. Bit mix on the sell and buy. So right now there's more buying up, showing up. Okay, that's start to see more sell down actually comes in. So basically what I'm doing here is more like a scalping. So very short term intraday. I'm gonna take this profit over here. The reason is because I start to see some selling that is coming in. They might continue to move up higher, but save it first. All right. So there's about like 300 over profit, but because the paper trade actually gave us a very huge amount, a big. How did I make this lower? Come back to Apple. So Apple, majority of it. Buy is usually those big volumes. Sell is usually a small volume. So let's see any of the big volumes are coming in. Then we can look into it for more selling are coming in. One big buy up, but one big is not significant. Okay, two. Oh, big sell, more sell coming in. More sell is coming in. So in that case, I'll just stay away from it first. Let the price have a little bit of retrace first, then only we look into it. So let's see any of it show up the my entry rules. This one has my entry rules comes in. The price starts to go down lower. Okay, back to Tesla. Let's see. So 5 more minutes to this candlestick close. Let's see whether it can close up higher or not. It can't. So I just don't enter into it first. See, there's a lot of selling coming in. Selling, selling, selling. Still going down so. If it's going down, then okay, Nvidia. Let's see whether this one can maintain higher than the previous candlestick high. This is Nvidia, right? Okay. So, okay, it is higher than the previous candlestick high. So I'm gonna wait, there's a lot of selling going on. Majority of it is taken up by the small volume. Big volumes comes in to buy up, it doesn't matter. Because that's not very significant. Okay, more small ones are coming in. Right, so it's moving up, so I just need to time for my exit and see if, let's say, there's a lot of people, a lot of small sell down, then I'll need to exit. There's a lot of sell down right now, so I will need to exit. Do this exit over here, cut loss. Wood pending. Goes lower than the price, the limit I set. Okay, just sell it up right now. Lost about 4 ticks. Just now previous one make about 3 ticks, so we are still at the loss right now. Oh, this one price is higher than previous one, so it looks good. Wait, don't move up first. Don't move up first. Don't move up first. Wait for me. Okay. So I'm looking into Tesla right now. Big sell. Small sell, small sell, big sell. Wow. It doesn't look good. I just take the profit first. There's about no profit. What? I sell at 3.8, right? Let's move up higher. Okay, there's more. A lot of small selling comes in. So for those of you who not sure what we are doing over here, Wait. So for again, let me tell you guys. So for those of you who are not sure what we are doing over here is I'm basically looking into the daily charts, right? I mean the 1 minute charts to do scalping. And then as long as the price is actually close higher than the previous one, then I can move in for an entry. And then when it move up higher, then use this ticker to time where to exit. So as long as there's a lot of sell down that is going on, then I'll just do my exit, take the profit on that. That's how I do it. Okay, so I see Microsoft, there is a bit here. Microsoft. Let's see. 1 minute. Okay. I'm gonna keep in this order. Microsoft, majority of it is buy up is by small and medium. Sell down is also small and medium. So that will make the, why is it still pending? Oh, it's the price again. So one thing over here is that when, if let's say we want to trade in the US market, then we have to be this one was not moving. Few times of the mistake that let them miss out the chance. This Apple is most likely that is going to go down. We're late into this. So my principle of it is when we are late into something, we don't look into it anymore. Let's close higher. It's a high volume of the it's up. Oh, this one we have here. Let's get it before it's too late. Wait. A lot of buying. I mean, a lot of selling. Let's not look into that at the moment. Okay. Tesla. Just started. Let's see whether we can close higher here. So we have about 20 seconds left. So have to wait. Let me share this to Facebook. Since I can't. Okay, get ready. Okay, this is where we look into it for Tesla. Entry prices, the cost is about 304.97, so we're still at the loss right now. But looking at it, there's not much of the selling. Yes, it does have a bit coming in, small one and mid one. Now it's a bit mixed. Okay. We might want to do an exit. When they buy up high. The gap between the transaction is high. I wonder, does this data actually ARCA? I'm not sure this one will have any effect or not, because other than ARCA exchange the data from here, they have others also, NYSE, this one NASDAQ ARCA. A little bit mix of the transaction. A lot of sell coming in. 3.5 right now. Big sell, big sell, big sell, big sell. Lots of big sell just now at a higher point. So I think we need to get ready for an exit here. Cut loss. Just now there's a few transaction comes in at 1,000. So but that one is only like 100 plus of it. The major one here is the small transaction that is coming. So losses further extend. You can see at this point over here they want to push, but it's not much. The selling buying is about the same. So oh, Microsoft just went up. Microsoft. No, wait for me. Okay. Sell, 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 sell. The transaction are mainly made up by small and medium. There's some huge sell down coming in. But let's not so worry about it. Now we have more of the buy up is coming in. So I'll just continue to hold on to it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, okay? Okay. Pressing it down right now. There's multiple time of a huge not line of sell down that it comes in. Big sell down. One big buy up. One stretch of sell down. Second stretch of sell down. Third. So I think that's about it here. This one I have to cut losses. Oh my, oh my. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad. So let's summarize on this. I find some flaws over here. Looking at the ticket itself, buy up or sell down is different from the Malaysia side, where this one over here, the price transacted can be jumping up and down a lot. So we can base on the buy up and sell down to look into it. The reason is because it can buy up, but maybe buy up at the lower price because someone queuing at the lower point. So in that case, we might need to look into this. You can see they have Arca book, total view, open book, direct age, all these national quotation. But this one you have to, if let's say you open a Moomoo trade account, then you have to click on all this, subscribe to all this. So yeah, if let's say and if let's say you want to have open up a trading account or you want to test it out this trading platform, you can click on the description link you can click on the registration link in the description box. So that is my unique link. So if you want to open a trading account, you can actually try to open it from there. All right. I still need to find this out. I want to put the order book at the high side. Can I put the order book at the high side? I think from what I explained just now, seems like looking at the order book changes will be a much more better way to suggest, to see where are they moving. I think most of it is starting to go into a retrace right now. So yeah. Wait, let's see NVIDIA. One last one to try it out. I'm gonna look into okay, order book here. No wonder Flashboy can work in US market. Flashboy is like an AI or maybe the robots that they track, like who key in the order, want to buy order, then they will actually rush in to buy the orders that initially want to enter into it, and then they park it at the high side, slightly higher, so that you are buying at a higher point. So what we see from here is that they're building up the changes. I think what we need to look into it is the changes of the buy sell orders. Let us take a look at it. So right now they are trying to pop at 1.416. Seems like it's more towards to the half, but 1.5. Okay, so I'm going in from here. Hey, this makes me always buying late into the market. Because I keep on need to set the price. Looking into this kind of such activity going on, we can't use the limit orders. For myself, I find the price really gone down. So all right. No. Just can't find out from there. Seems like the old way of trading is much better. I think the old strategy has nothing wrong, just that I want to fine tune it much more better to time where is the high sector exit, and into some places where we, let's say we enter on here and then next candlestick the price goes down and up like this, and then we don't have to do a cut loss first. So we can actually save or reduce the times of number of cut loss in the market, excuse me, so that that's how we can maximize the profit out of it. In a way, it's like increase the probability of it, and also protect our own like risk management. Okay, protect ourselves. Well, it's gonna be a bit choppy here. So yeah, basically that's the finding here today. The entry rules, nothing wrong for last time, so I'm gonna use that back and try it out together with the tickers to find the best the best exit point for it. So see whether we can reduce that or not. In the past few weeks, what I did was I'm just looking into tickers, but I'm not using the old strategies to enter into it. So yeah, that's what we can see from here. So which means that next week on this session over here, what I'll do is I will combine both of these strategies, and then ticker to use it for exit, and then for the entry wise I'll use back the 1 minute charts. Price is close higher than previous candle, then we start to look into it. Okay, so I'll just stop here today, and thank you very much for joining in, and I'll see you guys again next week. So if let's say you're watching this from Facebook, okay, try to watch it from YouTube. All right, I don't know what happened with Facebook. They just don't let me link it. Okay, all right, thank you very much. See you guys again. Bye bye.